I am worried about the high IATs. Should I get the 4.0T heat exchanger for my 3.0T?
I don't know what car this is for, but you should probably just get our 3.0T kit.
It's a B8S5.
Yeah, but why would he need the 4.0T heat exchanger?
For whatever reason, they think since it was for a 4-liter that it has better cooling.
Oh no, they're identical
Yeah.
heat exchanger units. Yeah, it's the biggest, largest unit that made sense for the size and the applications. They're exactly the same. No, just get the.
You should get our 3.0T unit, which is proven to lower intake air temp.
Yeah, we specifically designed that exchanger with some modularity to it, so we could use it in a number of applications, both single pass, dual pass, and then various mounting provisions and bleeding provisions and whatnot to make it as universal as we could. Since there's so much similarity between a lot of these platforms and the way the heat exchangers are set.
I think people are getting that from Merc Racing because they sell a larger 4-liter.
Yeah, no, it's
I don't think we could make ours any bigger.
not to fit the setup.
It completely fills the area. So